Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a square root on your Google Sheets mobile. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. How to insert the square root symbol on your Google Sheet mobile, I just going to show in this video. So I just opened this document here, just zooming inside a cell, just clicking on the cell. I just going to insert a symbol. So you don't have any insert symbol option on your Google Sheet. Instead of that, you can just use your keyboard. Here I just using Google keyboard or Gboard. So click on this number section here, then you just need to click on the equal section again. It's extra simple. You just can find the square root symbol here. You can just insert it like this and click OK. So you just use your keyboard because there is no insert option here. So instead of that, you can just directly use your Google keyboard to insert the square symbol on your Google Sheet mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.